Hi there, grade fours. Today we are going to do a little bit of visual art. Please don't stress about what needs to happen with the dancing. Just keep practicing. We are going to do something with the dancing when you get back to school. So please make sure that you carry on practicing. But today we are going to do a little bit of art. You will have the next few weeks to create this photograph. It's going to take you a while. You might want to ask your mom, your dad, or maybe your brother or sister or somebody to help you with this, to try and get this as perfect as possible. Um, yeah, so let's get started. All right, boys and girls. Remember, the point of art is we are supposed to have fun, right? So this is going to be a fun exercise. You need to choose only one artwork, and you will see what those artworks are in a moment. So on the next couple of slides, when you see these artworks, keep in mind you are going to have to recreate it. But I will give you a little bit more detail a little bit further down in the slides. All right, boys and girls, please have fun, and here we go. After you've gone through all the slides, you need to go back to those artworks and choose one painting. Then you need to look closely at the painting that you chose, and you need to find random objects in your house that can help you recreate the scene in the painting. You can use anything from toilet paper and cleaning materials to even toys, anything that you have at home, to recreate the scene. You are welcome to draw on yourself with makeup, and you can also create parts of the costume from boxes and paper, and specifically the background as well, because lots of these have interesting backgrounds, and the background is a very big part of the painting. So make sure that you are as accurate as possible. It will take a few trial and errors before you get the right combination of objects and clothes, so take your time and have fun, boys and girls. This is an opportunity to play dress up a little bit. And yeah, the person that will be the most accurate might be able to win a little prize. So let's see how this goes. Remember, this is for fun, so please find the time and do this. I'm sure you will enjoy it. All right, so let's look at the steps that we need to follow. When you take the photograph, you must be the person in the photograph, not a different family member. Please make sure that you are in the correct pose, that your body is positioned um, as the, as the person in the portrait, so that you look the same. It might take a few shots before you get the perfect angle for the photo, but once you have completed this task, you need to email me your final photo so I can print it out for you when you get back to school. You have 2 weeks to complete this task, but I'm willing to stretch it a little bit more. So let's just say you need to have this finished and emailed it to me before you get back to school. So I'm just going to give you this, and then up until the time when I see you, I think this will be my last assessment. There might be another little one coming, but at this point I want you to focus on the dancing and doing this photograph. Alright, boys and girls, on the next slide we are just going to look at what your email needs to look like. Right, boys and girls, when you email me, please make sure that in the subject area, I'm sure your mom and your dad or somebody will be able to help you with this. Just say subject, and in the subject area, you need to write your class for me, please. and please make sure that you give me the number of the painting that you recreated so that I can compare the original with your photograph. And please make sure that you give me all your information, your alphabetical number, surname, name, and class. This is very important, guys. I don't know where everybody is. Remember, I have got 24 classes. So please, please, please make sure that you give me your correct information so I know where to keep your photograph so I can get it to you safely. Alright, boys and girls, on the next few slides, you will be looking at a few examples of what it can look like. And once we've looked at these examples, you can go back to the artworks that you can choose from in step 1, and then you can choose the one you want to do, and then you can start recreating this in a photograph. Right, let's have a look at the examples. Yet again, boys and girls, please have fun with this. It's very important for me that you guys have fun. This is a fun exercise, and take your time, do it as a family. Maybe challenge one of your family members to take a few photos themselves. You can always add it to the family album. So make some memories and have fun with this, boys and girls. Enjoy. I miss you guys and can't wait to see you soon.